making 5 different slimes, so let's get right into it. Okay, so I'm actually going to make one, and here I'm just adding some glue. One slime tutorial. And yeah, I'm just going to add that glue in there. Okay, I'm sorry, that was really weird. Anyway, we're just gonna add that glue in there. Come on, glue, get in there. What the heck? This is taking so long. Sorry that this is so boring for you guys. Anyway, please video. Yeah, I'm overdoing this, like, voiceover. Anyway, I'm recording this after I recorded the video. Anyway, oh no, stop.
It's giving me help.
Okay, so now I'm gonna add some food dye, and yeah. We all get it. Add the food dye, mix it in. Just mix it, okay? Myself, mix it. Mix it. Okay, now we're adding glitter. Not yet. Now we're adding glitter. And glitter. Okay, wait, this is satisfying. Just watch. I love it. I love it. Okay, so mix that glitter in. Mixy. Okay, that was just weird. I don't know why I'm being so weird today. I'm just really being weird. Alright, now I'm going to grab some baking soda. And then, come on, myself. Man, this is really boring. Okay. Come on. Yes, baking soda. Finally, you add the baking soda, myself. Okay, I can't believe I took so long to do all of this. All right, no, I said stop.
Please subscribe to let me through.
Now we're going to mix it. And now I'm going to add some contact lens solution. I do about 5 drops for that, like, amount because, oh my gosh, it activates so fast. Like 5 drops. I can't even squeeze it. I just turn it sideways. Anyway, more drops. Now I'm just going to add a bunch of drops. And this is going to take a while. And I hate how long this video is being for one slime. I think I'll do better next time, but man, it's just crazy. Alright, anyway, more activator. Okay. Yeah, I've recorded this before. I'm doing a voiceover now. Anyway, mixy. Look. It's really cool. Look at that. I love it. Slime, I love it. Okay. Come on, activate. I think it's activating more. Let's see. Nope, doesn't show you. I know that's me showing you, but I mean, like, I forget how I recorded this video. I'm doing a voiceover as the video plays. So, I keep saying I'm doing a voiceover. You already know that. Alright, why do I keep saying that? Anyway, let's mix it. Oh, yeah, look at that. Look, see? That is still not activated yet. See how it's like stringy to the sides? Don't activate it. I mean, don't take it out with your hands. It will stick to you forever. Add 5 more drops. I would still add more drops even with that. Yeah, I'm taking it on my hand. That would make sense why I needed to add more activator after this. I remember that. Yes, so come on. See, it looks fine, but then I plop it in my hand. Wait for it. Wait, I said stop. Come on. Okay, and now it's looking good, right? Let's see. Okay, wait, that's looking a little sticky still. Yeah, it is still sticky. I do add more activator. Yeah, I add more activator. Yep. This is why you might want to have a buddy around if you don't know when to do it. It's always best to under-activate it, so you can activate it with a buddy later. like somebody who activates it for you, but I actually just had them open it. So yeah. Come on. Mixy. I'm so weird. What the heck? Why do I keep doing this? Ugh.